The Journey of Yoga, a deep dive into its origins, evolution, and impact. Yoga is more than just exercise. It is a profound practice that integrates physical, mental, and spiritual aspects to bring harmony to one's life. With roots tracing back over 5,000 years, this ancient discipline tells a fascinating story of cultural evolution, philosophical depth, and modern adaptation. In this exploration, we'll uncover the rich history and transformative journey of yoga from its origins to its present-day role as a global phenomenon. Yoga began in ancient India as a means of creating balance between the body and mind while connecting with a higher spiritual purpose. Its early practices were deeply intertwined with the cultural and spiritual traditions of the time. **** Origins in the Indus Valley civilization, circa 3000 BCE**** Archaeological discoveries, including stone seals featuring figures in meditative postures, indicate that yoga-like practices were essential to early Indian cultures, reflecting an emphasis on mindfulness and physical discipline. **** Early Vedic texts, circa 1500–500 BCE**** The Vedas, ancient scriptural texts from India, first reference yoga in hymns and rituals aimed at creating harmony and cultivating higher consciousness. The Rig Veda uses the term yoga in the context of unity and disciplined action, laying the groundwork for yoga's philosophical principles. The Upanishads, c. 800 to 400 BCE, advancing yoga's concepts. The Upanishads explored meditation, ethics, and the connection between body and mind. They introduced key ideas like prana, life force, and karma, which remain central to yoga practices. These texts laid the intellectual foundation for yoga as a tool for spiritual self-discovery. The classical era saw yoga transition into a more structured philosophy. Foundational texts and teachings from this time extensively shaped modern yoga. The Bhagavad Gita, c. 500 BCE, this revered spiritual scripture emphasized yoga as a multi-path journey to wisdom, action, and devotion. It outlined three prominent paths. Karma yoga * performing selfless actions as a form of spiritual practice. Bhakti yoga, expressing devotion through love and surrender to the divine. Jnana yoga, seeking knowledge and contemplation to achieve enlightenment. Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, c. 200 BCE, widely considered the cornerstone of yoga philosophy. Patanjali's sutras introduced the Ashtanga, 8 limbs of yoga, a system that combines ethics, physical postures, breathwork, and meditation to achieve stillness of the mind. Key aspects include yamas and niyamas, ethical precepts for moral conduct. Asanas, physical postures, designed originally to prepare the body for meditation. Pranayama, techniques to manage breath and channel life force energy. Dhyana, meditation aimed at mental concentration. The sutras culminate in samadhi, a state of enlightenment and supreme peace, establishing yoga as a lifelong discipline. This period marked a shift as yoga practices began integrating physical and meditative elements into a more experimental system. Innovations brought a focus on self-transformation and personal spiritual exploration. Tantra yoga, 800 to 1200 CE. Tantra introduced a new way of understanding the body as a sacred vessel. It introduced techniques such as chakra meditation, working with energy centers, and Kundalini awakening, activating dormant spiritual energy. These practices paved the way for a view of the body as a tool for achieving spiritual growth. Hatha Yoga, circa 1200 to 1500 CE, as a physically oriented practice, Hatha Yoga emphasized achieving balance between opposing forces in the body and mind through postures, asanas, and breath control, pranayama. The Hatha Yoga Pradipika, A seminal text by Swami Swatmarama detailed these techniques with the ultimate goal of supporting deeper meditative states. The modern era ushered in massive transformations in yoga as it spread beyond India and adapted to the needs of a global audience. Introduction to the West, late 1800s, early 1900s. Swami Vivekananda, through his speeches in Chicago in 1893, Vivekananda unveiled the teachings of Raja Yoga, emphasizing meditation and mental discipline. Paramahansa Yogananda, his book Autobiography of a Yogi, captivated Western audiences and popularized Kriya Yoga, which focuses on breath and meditation. Development of modern postural yoga, 1920s to 1950s. Tirumalai Krishnamacharya, revered as the father of modern yoga, Krishnamacharya blended ancient teachings with physical fitness, creating sequences of postures that were accessible to practitioners of all levels. Key students, such as B.K.S. Iyengar, K. Patabi Joys, and Indra Devi, refined these teachings into distinct modern styles, including Iyengar Yoga, with a focus on precision and alignment, and Ashtanga Yoga, known for dynamic, challenging poses. Yoga in the modern world, 1960s present. The 1960s brought yoga into Western counterculture, where it gained traction as a holistic remedy for stress and a pathway to mental clarity. Today, yoga is practiced globally by millions, with diverse forms such as Vinyasa flow, restorative yoga, and hot yoga adapting to modern lifestyles while continually drawing from ancient wisdom. To truly appreciate yoga, it's important to understand several foundational terms. Asana, originally meaning seat for meditation, it now symbolizes postures in modern yoga. Pranayama, techniques for regulating breath, considered vital to mental clarity and energy flow. Samadhi, the ultimate goal, representing spiritual enlightenment and inner peace. Chakras and Kundalini, energy pathways and dormant energy that yoga seeks to awaken. Yoga's history reveals its evolution as a blend of physical, mental, and spiritual practices. It originated as a pathway to self-realization and harmony, but has been adapted for health, well-being, and personal growth. Its versatility ensures that yoga continues to resonate, whether for physical fitness, stress relief, or spiritual exploration. Reflect on this. How does understanding yoga's rich history shape your approach to practice? Which aspects of yoga's journey resonate with your personal path?